Hey, hi everybody. This is Arvind Upadhyay, and I am the author of over 100 books related self-help and business success. Now, this workshop is a small part of the workshop on the business mastery programs and business workshop. If you're truly thinking to uh, increase your profitability and maximize the potential and maximize the growth of your business, you have to once in your life attend my business success workshop. And it is continuously be do in the every Sundays business success workshop, and lots of the workshops, seminars, events and programs regular basis. So you must join my business success workshop and business mastery workshop to becoming and maximize your potential to becoming better at your business and everything. Now I am with a small segment of the business problem that is called the bad hiring, good hiring. You have to focus on the good hiring because most of the businesses and turnover, 80% of the turnover loss happen because of the bad hiring. Whenever you are hiring, you have to think, remember that always you have the potential to do for the better hiring, good hiring, not on the bad hiring, because if you are doing the bad hiring, you never going to becoming successful in your business. So if you really truly want to become successful in your business, you have to focus on the good hiring, because according to me 80% of the turnover loss is due to the bad hiring. And when you hire the people to save your time, save your money, you hire the bad people, and that bad people really reduce and decrease the productivity of the team members. That people really decrease the turnover, profitability and revenue of the company. And this is the reason 60% of the bad hiring negative effectively perform and affect to the team members. And 39% of the businesses report a productivity decreases if because of the bad hiring. You have to focus on the people who are really good at the skills. So how you are going to do that? You have one option, that you can do the collaboration with Arvind Enterprises Group. Talk with the people in the support team with Arvind Enterprise, because we are in the all over all every businesses there. So there is a companies in there that help in the manpower and job line, which provide the job consulting and manpower and hiring process, onboarding and outsourcing things. They are going to hire the best talent ever you think to hire for your business, for your company, for your organization. So do that. You have to do other things like whenever you are posting your jobs, you have to write down the detailed description about your job. When you are posting your job, you have to write down all the description, skills needed, and all the things that needs utilize multiple channels for the jobs, are linkedin, for the naukri.com and other many uh, platform. You have to conduct and think in your mind to whenever you doing your job, you have to utilize them as much as possible. Third point is a do background check. You have to do background check, conduct comprehensive interviews, HR round, technical round and many other round to understand, is this guy I need and this is perfect fit for my organization, for my company. If that is not perfect fit, never hire that person, because it is going to make you losses. And you have to understand the onboarding process. I hope this was helpful. If you really want to become successful in your business, you have to must join my business mastery workshop and business success workshop to become pro and successful in your business.